Hi, this is Mike with JTops, and today in this video we're going to be installing the new JL boot. This is going to be on a premium soft top for the JL, so we'll take you through the steps of the installation. Okay, installing the JL boot on the JL soft top. Just make sure the soft top is folded down, and then you have these multiple layers right here. Take the boot, logo on the right, lay it on the boot, lay it on your top. Hold the edge around the far edge right here. Now, the boot does not envelop the whole top, and you'll see why in a minute. The bottom edge here basically tucks in to this third flap. There's a flap right here. You want to tuck this into that flap. And the reason is to let the protrusions on the side stick out that go down into the well. So you just pull it around and it'll pull over the top. That right here is the key, is that you have this flap down here and that this tucks in. Now you take the extra material, you pull it around and you tuck it in under the boot. You take your straps, so this tucks in and the boot lays over it. You take your strap, you bring it around the back and you clip it on behind the boot. So now you have one end done. You do the same thing with the middle. You take this flap, if you see that flap, you pull out the boot slightly and you tuck it in. Same thing, pull this around and then just buckle. You hear the snap, you buckle the buckle, and you do the last part the same way. You make sure the flap is all the way around. Here's the flap. You tuck it into the boot, in the back, pull it around, pull this over, pull this back, and snap it. Your boot is now in. The reason it's done this way is because these two protrusions must sit down into the well. This allows the boot to sit at its lowest possible point at the back edge of the Jeep. Close your door, make a few little tucking adjustments, and your boot's complete.